And what's your name?
My name is Kati.
Kati. All right.
Yes.
You are from Garua, right?
Yes, I'm from Garua. I'm working here.
Okay. All right. What's so special about Garua?
Garua have many person come to see the football in Garua. I love Garua. It's very good. It's a very good city.
Wow. A very, very good city.
Yes,
And
yes.
of course, they have lots of food.
Yes.
What is the main occupation of people in Garua? Is it farming or Cameroon generally? You guys do agriculture, farming?
No, it's many culture is Garua.
Oh, you have many cultures in Garua.
Yes,
Wow.
have a pearl, Bamendas, Mundang. All the person come to Garua.
Wow. Hello, yes, my people know me small something. I greet you and salute you live from inside Garua this lovely, wonderful morning. And of course, as you know, the Super Eagles, they do good deal with Egypt alongside Sudan and Guinea-Bissau. And at this stadium where they my back here, where they call the Ramde Anja Stadium for inside Garua, now then they do the battle. But then they don't play two games for inside each group. And that groups now, I go just sharp a little now one or two things about how things take stand right here for inside Cameroon. And of course, without further ado, as so you go to take talk, I go quick tell you that say 24 teams out of that 24 teams, now 12 games now they don't play. So, and of course, now 12 goals now they don't score so far for inside this competition. When I say so far, it means say games still they will say then go play for inside Cameroon 2021. And of course, 27 goals now they be scored at this stage for inside 2019 for that Nations Cup will be shared for inside Egypt. And of course, 8 goals now they score from open play, 4 goals now they convert to penalties, 13 clean sheets now they don't keep so far for inside this competition for inside Cameroon. No goal, they never convert any goal through headers or free kicks. Everybody just they score either with penalty or from open play. And of course, I go sharply tell you now the goal scorers from open play. And I go quick tell you now say from the goal scorers from open play, we get Gustavo Sangare, the man wake up from Burkina Faso, when we say give us that St. Alicia shot against Cameroon. Only say at the end of the day in team lose 2-1 as far as that game they concern. Then we get the man that they call Julio Tavares, wake up from Cape Verde, insert score from open play. Isiaka Syria of Guinea score from open play. Spiani Bufala, the guy from Morocco with the ginger in swagger. Then we also get Aaron Salem Kumpenza, the man from Gabon. He served do serious open play battle for the end. Not forgetting our own Kelechi Hanacho. That's goal where we say Kelechi will score. Instead, they sweet my belly till now. We also get one of the call Abdi Jalao, the man from Gambia, and Max Bredo, the man from Ivory Coast. Now, so all these guys they score from open play. And go also quick tell you, say no be only that one. Even goalkeepers, then the ginger their swagger for inside this competition for inside Cameroon. And some of them don't keep clean sheet. One of the guys will keep clean sheet now, Maduka Okoye, the man from Nigeria. We get Marco Rosa from Cape Verde, Sedi Dieng from Senegal, Ali Keita from Guinea, Bono from Morocco, Jean-Noel Amonome from Gabon, Ray Mboli from Algeria, Mohamed Kamara, the man from Sierra Leone, Ali Abdullah Abu, welcome from Sudan, Maurice Gomes, the man from Guinea-Bissau, Ibrahim Munkoro, the man from Mali, Modo Jobe from Gambia, and of course, Badra Ali Sangare, the man will come from Ivory Coast. Now, so all of them take keep clean sheets for inside Cameroon 2021. So far, make you not be saying they don't finish the tournament. So, and of course, people don't create big chances for inside this competition so far. Now, the man that they call Gary Rodriguez of Cape Verde, he creates 2 of big chances, but at the end of the day, it's still there as today. Highest goal scorer, we get Vincent Abubakar, the man will come from Cameroon. Remember, for the first game against Burkina Faso, he scored 2 penalties, and that's what come put him on top the people where we say score most so far for inside this competition. 2 goals now he don't score. The likes of Kelechi Iheanacho, 1 goal they don't score, but then more they say one more time, more opportunity there, more chance there to score. And this competition, as I take talk up, now only 2 games so far, 9 they don't play. And for you, if you want to follow all this one, where would they carry come all the way from Cameroon? All you need to do now to follow Wazobia FM for exclusive AFCON 2021 actions live from Cameroon. You know, go one miss some more. If you miss some, I be say you don't miss something with us. My name is Jovita, aka all the way from of Cameroon. Bring them on all the delicious actions them as you take the shelle. Don't miss more. Just stay there.